For months, it was silent. The most distant human-made object in history, Voyager 1, was drifting alone in the abyss, sending back nothing but gibberish. After 46 years of groundbreaking exploration, it seemed the journey had finally come to an end until now. Suddenly, the signal returned, coherent, clear, and the data it brought with it has scientists intrigued. And one respected physicist has issued a cautious statement. This changes our perspective. We may be looking at something unexpected. What has Voyager 1 found at the edge of interstellar space? And why are some experts suggesting that this may be the key to advancing our understanding of the cosmos? Stay with us, because this isn't just a space mission. This could be a significant step into the unknown. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was built to last a few years, maybe a decade. Instead, it has survived 46 years in the harshest environment imaginable. It flew past Jupiter, past Saturn, and then was flung outward by gravity into deep space beyond the pull of the planets. But what made this mission possible wasn't just brilliant engineering. It was a cosmic coincidence that happens once every 176 years. The planets were perfectly aligned, allowing engineers to slingshot Voyager from one world to another using gravity, conserving energy and propelling it further and faster than ever imagined. They called it the Grand Tour, and it worked. Now, Voyager 1 is over 15 billion miles from Earth, traveling in a place where no human signal had ever reached before until Voyager sent one back. And what it just sent is prompting new scientific questions. After months of corrupted data, something changed. Voyager 1 began transmitting readable information again. Only this time, the data was unusual. Scientists detected unexpected plasma fluctuations, shifts in magnetic fields, and an unanticipated surge in particle density. But the most surprising part, these readings are not fully consistent with prior measurements in interstellar space. One physicist said, "It's like the spacecraft is observing phenomena beyond our current models of the solar system. What's more, the orientation of cosmic rays, the direction of magnetic lines, they're not fully aligned as expected. As if Voyager 1 is encountering a region of space that challenges existing models. And no model of interstellar physics can yet fully explain what it's seeing. It's as if our understanding of reality is evolving." When Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the outer boundary of the Sun's influence, it entered what scientists believed was interstellar space. But the data now shows that this region is dynamic. Voyager is detecting turbulence, plasma waves, and charged particle variations that appear to have no single identifiable source. Additionally, there are subtle trajectory deviations. The spacecraft seems to drift slightly in ways not fully explained, as if influenced by forces we can't yet identify. It's not being pulled by stars. It's not hitting asteroids. So, what's causing this subtle but measurable motion? Some now hypothesize Voyager has entered a transitional region, a boundary between what we know and what lies beyond, a place where our models of physics may need refinement. For years, most of the scientific community remained cautious. They studied, observed, and debated. But now, a respected physicist has made a rare, thought-provoking statement. Voyager 1 is detecting patterns that challenge our current models of the universe. We may be seeing evidence of a complex region of space itself. He stopped short of calling it another dimension, but many are now exploring whether Voyager 1 is encountering a phenomenon that could expand our understanding of cosmic structures, such as an unexpected boundary or an uncharted region we can't yet fully model. Among the new data, scientists discovered a rhythmic fluctuation, a pattern coming from a region Voyager 1 recently passed through. This signal isn't natural background noise. It's structured, timed, and repeating. Initially, it was dismissed as interference or a fault in the instruments, but the pattern was consistent, matching no known stellar phenomenon. It wasn't from a pulsar, not a quasar, and not from any known source of radiation. Then came the curious realization. The pattern seems to correlate with Voyager's data bursts in certain windows, as if something out there is interacting with the spacecraft's signals. Further analysis is ongoing to understand this phenomenon. One of the engineers working on decoding Voyager's latest transmissions made a curious observation. When visualizing the magnetic field variations as a three-dimensional model over time, a shape began to emerge. It wasn't random. It wasn't noise. It looked like a spiral framework repeated with consistent symmetry. Some now hypothesize it may be a natural cosmic structure, a complex magnetic or plasma pattern beyond our current understanding. Others propose it could be an unusual, natural phenomenon, far outside our solar system. Either way, it has no precedent in astrophysics. And yet, Voyager 1 flew directly through it. Voyager 1's onboard systems have been acting erratically, but not in the way you'd expect from an aging spacecraft. Its internal orientation sensors have begun reporting inconsistent positions, as if the spacecraft is experiencing environmental disturbances. Even more intriguing, its signal has shown tiny but measurable variations in transmission timing, suggesting it may be passing through regions with unexpected physical properties. This isn't just instrument decay. Some scientists are now quietly proposing that Voyager may have entered a region of complex interstellar medium, a concept theoretical physicists are exploring with new models. Now it's real, and Voyager is right in the middle of it. When Voyager was launched, it was never intended to leave the solar system. Its main mission was to observe the gas giants and then simply drift. But now, over 4 decades later, it's doing something far more profound, revealing new aspects of the interstellar medium itself. What started as a journey past the planets has become a voyage into the uncharted regions of the universe. And here's the irony. The spacecraft that carries the golden record, the message from humanity to the cosmos, may be the first to encounter data that challenges our cosmic perspective. Voyager 1 was never meant to go this far. It was launched with 1970s technology, powered by less computing power than a digital watch, and aimed at planets we thought we understood. But now, 46 years later, it's sending back data that is prompting respected scientists to rethink the nature of the interstellar medium. A pattern that behaves unusually, a shape hidden in magnetic data, spatial variations that suggest complex environments, and a journey that now seems less like an escape from our solar system and more like an encounter with something new, something distant, something beyond current models, something intriguing. The spacecraft, meant to be our ambassador to the stars, may have found a new frontier of space. So now we ask, is Voyager 1 still exploring space? Or is it revealing that space, as we thought we knew, it is more complex than we imagined? Let us know what you think in the comments. Has Voyager encountered a new region of space? Or are we just beginning to see the first signs that the universe is more intricate than we thought? Subscribe and turn on notifications because the next transmission from Voyager could deepen our understanding of the cosmos.